Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to session 2 of module 3. In this session, we'll be dealing with category analysis, categorization of household, then multiple choice questions. So, what is category analysis? It was developed by Wharton and Pick, and it is also called as cross classification. It is mainly based on average number of trips generated by set of defined household groups. The main assumptions are fundamental trip generation is household. Depending upon family requirement, the journey begins or ends. Trip generation depends on location and facilities at household. Trip generation also depends on car ownership, family income, and structure of household. The rate of trip generated by each household is different. Categorization of household mainly depends upon three factors: car ownership, disposable income, and household structure. So, coming to car ownership, there are three levels: zero car, one car, and more than one car. Coming to disposable income, it has six classes depending upon per annual income. The different classes are there. The next is household structure, that is depending upon employment of the household people. So you can be categorized into six categories. So first is number of employed resident and one non-employed adult. Next, number of employed resident and two or more non-employed adult. One employed resident and one or less non-employed adult. One employed resident and one non-employed adult. Two or more employed resident and one or less non-employed adult. Two or more employed resident and two or more non-employed adult. So these are the various categorizations. So next, what are the disadvantages? So household is categorized based on socio-economic conditions. Here, no mathematical relation is established between trip making and household. The census data can be directly obtained, thereby saving in time saving and cost. And the human behavior can be simulated than zonal aggregation process. So main disadvantages are it is difficult to test the statistical significance. The technique uses past data, hence correction to be adopted. Income and car ownership increase in future. New variables cannot be introduced. Large samples are needed to assign trip rates. So next we'll move on to multiple choice questions. So the trips generated by activities at non-home end of trips is known as, answer is B, that is trip attraction. So which of the following is not factor affecting trip generation? Answer is D, that is built up area of house. So next, frequently used regression model for trip generation is dash multiple linear regression model. Answer is A, that is linear multiple regression model. Next, dash is the dependent variable in regression analysis for trip generation. Answer is D, that is number of trips. Next, regression analysis true only when each variable is truly independent. Next, variables are continuous in nature. The constant will remain constant in the equation for all the future. Okay. So these are some of the references.